Hey is how to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. So first of all, open up Settings app. Then you should scroll down and find Siri. In my specific order, I can see this specific app like Siri, but you can see Siri and intelligence and something about Siri. So basically you should find in Settings app something about Siri menu and then go to it. Once you're here, when you open Siri, you will see option Talk to Siri over here and tap on it. And then of course select Hey Siri. You should tap on Enable Siri, then continue to improve your voice and enable this all stuff and set up all settings to Hey Siri. And then just finish it.